All right, thank you for joining. Today I wanted to do a very quick video on JTO, USDT on the Binance chart. Now, as many have known, this is a very new project launched on around December 8th last year, and it's pretty much doing almost like a cup and handle in a way. As you can see, if we go ahead and draw a little box here, you get this massive cup pattern. Looks like it's coming down for a little handle before breaking out and moving higher, right? So that's a possibility, but as of right now, I just wanted to dive into this a little bit more locally. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that after this breakout, we have this consolidation, and right now we are consolidating right at support, right? So we went ahead and also pulled a fixed range volume profile of this range. And as you can see, we have the value area high sitting at around $4.57. Value area low is sitting at $3.88. Now, one thing to keep in mind is on the 4-hour time frame, which is very important. That really does confirm a lot of direction on where price will go. And as of right now, you can see we did not manage to close the 4-hour above the value area low. So we have not been accepted into this range once again, right? This is the range. And we have not been accepted. So we did get a little acceptance here, but then price action just sold off. And we had a few candle closes below this low, which pretty much just swept up some liquidity, and we managed to impulse a little bit higher back above support, but still below the value area low. So we want to see price come back up, start to close and trade within this value area low. Then we can expect higher prices to around $4.38, and then eventually doing a full rotation to the $4.56 range. Now, let's go ahead and see what percent gain that would be from the current price. And from the current price, that would be a 20% gain to the value area high, or a 40% gain to the previous high, right? Which I think, was it an all-time high? Yeah, which was an all-time high, right? Now, obviously, if we do lose this level, then the next area to really keep in mind would be a loss of around, let's see here, if we start trading below $3.50, then this entire range from $2.81 up to $3.40 is all in play, right? As you can see, pulled other fixed range volume profiles of the previous weeks before. And this is where price, was deciding where the fair value was. And if we do lose this range at around $1.75 to $1.40, then I would expect to see the lows of around $3 on GTO, right? But as of right now, we are still holding on by a thread. Like I said, I would love to see us reclaim these lows right here at around $3.87. So this way we can target $4.57, right? You can also pull some fibs from the lows of this run here to the highs, see if anything lines up. There's a little golden pocket that we are trading in right now. And then look at that, the 786 lines up right with this resistance zone, which is now support, which I drew earlier before the stream started, right? So we are at a very strong level, but we did lose it already. So if we do continue to lose this, then in my opinion, we will most likely go and try to retest this low, which was made at around $3.50. And if we lose that, then I'll be keeping an eye on $3 from where we are at now. And how much percent down would that be? That would be at around 22%, right? So long in here was not a bad idea because we are at support. Whenever you are at support, there's a higher probability that you go up instead of go down, right? So this was support, price came down, touched support, price went up, same thing, price went up, touched support again, price went up, touched support again, lost it, reclaimed it. Now let's see if price does go up one more time, right? And if so, we're going to aim for the value area high. And if that is reclaimed and we do start to get acceptance above this level, then we can aim for the highs, which sit at around $5.32. Okay, so that's pretty much it with GTO. Very quick video, like I said today. Like and subscribe.